free, you must learn to forgive. Right now, I ask you again to see, I believe in the Spirit is right here, right now. Okay? Think of people who have hurt you. Really, mahirap patawarin. Okay? Hindi mahirap kung tutulungan ka ni Lord. So tell the Lord, Lord, tulungan po niyo ako. I want to forgive. Bahala na po kayo sa kanila. Okay? Bahala na si Lord sa kanila. Then you are free. You're free. When you forgive, you set a prisoner free. And who is that prisoner? That's you. Bakit ka nagbubuhat ng kung ano-ano dyan? Yung mga kaaway mo, they don't even care. They don't even know what you're going through. Ang ganda po yung sinabi ni Soc Rodrigo once. Nandun ako galit, nagngingit-ngit. Nalaman ko na lang yung kaaway ko, tulog at naghihilik. See how silly we are? So today, let go. Let God. Okay? You know you're frozen because you don't know how to let go. So let's sing that song together. As we sing this, you forgive people who hurt you. Huh? It goes like this. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Speaking words of wisdom, let it go. One more time. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Speaking words of wisdom, let it go. Sabi mo katabi mo, mag-let go ka na kasi. Let go ka na. Amen? Amen. Yeah, praying for that peace. And you know what? The most simple thought is this. How often has God forgiven you and me? And we cannot even forgive them. So if you cannot forgive someone, just pray for that someone. Lord, bahala ka na. At kung sinabi mong, Lord, bahala ka na, huwag mo nang sabihin, sige Lord, bahala ka. Kung gusto mo ma-stroke na siya, ganun. Bahala na si Lord, huwag ka na magbigay ng suggestion, okay? No.